What's happening, Snack and Pandas? Peter Von Panda here. Look what I just bought. I bought some of these SmashPack protein pouches. You can see here they're pretty small, 5-ounce pouches. And this one has 3 different flavors. This is the mixed berry. Looks like we have raspberry on there and strawberry. This one is the tropical fruit, coconut, peach, pineapple. And then this one is the orange peach. This is probably going to be my favorite. They also have color matching tops on them, but a nice little fruit and protein pack to just have on the go. They're no bigger than, you know, like a 2/3 size of a Capri Sun. And here is some information on them. They're only 100 calories. I kind of see these as like a quick snack, kind of a quick meal, light meal. I mean, 180 calories isn't really a meal, but it's definitely something that could kind of tide you over until you get to a meal. You know, you could use these for all sorts of things, you know, for kids. If you're on the go a lot, you could have some on your desk, you know, trying to grab something between meetings, something in a car on a commute, you know, whatever it might be. There's lots of reasons to have food on the go. So I thought I would just try this here. As you can see, it just kind of looks like, I don't know, it looks like a fruit smoothie. It looks like boba tea. So let's take a little taste of the orange peach here. It's really thick and much drier than I kind of expected. Ooh, it's got a little tartness to it. It definitely has a lot of flavor. Woo! It's mouth puckering a little bit, actually. And so I kind of didn't expect that. I don't know. Or oranges, peaches, and it looks like banana. Unless those peaches are really tart. I mean, it's almost got a grapefruit tartness to it, but man, it does feel thick. It comes out, you know, maybe not as thick as toothpaste, but pretty close. And obviously it's ground up fruit, but you know, it's not watered down at all. This is it really tastes like you have juiced the fruit and you are kind of serving the pulp. I mean, obviously it flows a little bit. It does taste pretty good. But you're really getting kind of the meat of the fruit, not the juice of the fruit. And that's good. I mean, because the juice isn't really going to fill you up, right? I mean, you can drink water and kind of ward off hunger for a little while, but this is kind of nice. You're really getting the, like I said, I feel like the meat of the fruit. I mean, you feel like it's almost dehydrated in a way. Now, I will say it does kind of make me a little bit thirsty, so if you're going to throw one of these back, I would probably have some water with you too, because of, you know, the kind of how dry they are, but they're pretty cool, and they definitely taste good. I mean, they, you know, some of the other ones taste like granola, or it's kind of those other superfood fillers in them that really kind of give it a chalky taste, or a kind of granola bar, or a Soylent taste to them. But this really, you know, it just tastes like fruit. It doesn't taste like there's anything else in it, even though there might be. So check it out. I'll put a link to this sampler pack. If you think that one of these might tickle your fancy, you can try them for yourself and figure out which ones you want to buy in the future. But I'm going to keep eating this. Orange peach. Pretty good. Peter Von Panda. Out.